Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you guys the best Facebook ads images to use for your auto detailing business. So let's get into it. So I'm actually going to share my screen and show you guys what I use to figure out the best images to use for auto detailing. Okay. Now I actually used to do auto detailing myself, so I used to actually be in the business. So that's a little tidbit about me. But what you do is you go on Google search, Facebook ad library. I have this saved in my thing, but I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So go to the Facebook ad library, okay? And then what you'll do is we're going to actually search similar ads that are auto detailing and copy them, okay? So just click all ads right here and then type in auto detailing. I'm not actually going to show you guys how to make the ad in Ads Manager because that's a whole separate thing and it's also covered in my course. But I'm actually going to show you which images I 100% say to use based on other people's ads. Okay. So I'm just scrolling down through here and I see a bunch of video ads. I don't like video ads, so we're not going to use video ads. Okay. Recommend staying away from video ads. What about this, you may say? Panama City luxury car owners, free interior detail. So this is specifically for luxury car owners and it's a free interior detail. I recommend doing a very basic ad copy, and this is more of a advanced ad copy if it's working. I can't tell if it's working or not because it was just started. That's the thing about ads. You wanna make sure you run them for a certain period of time because this one may not be working because they just started this ad. They may just be testing this ad out. I recommend a very general ad copy that's not any special offers. I recommend saying, hey, blah, 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 or hey, Panama City, exclamation mark, space, and then go down on a tab mark and then say, we offer interior, exterior, car washes, vacuums, ceramic coatings, whatever you guys offer, wheel shine, maybe not like say wheel shine, but something more better worded than that. But just say every service you offer in the middle after you said, hey, Panama City. And then what you would say is you would say call or text your phone number and put your phone number in there. Okay. So that's exactly how you set up your ad copy before we start going through the images, if you guys wanted to know that. And basically, I don't do video ads because video ads take way too long to produce, and it's not worth it if you can throw up a real simple image like this. Okay, so see how they said their city exclamation mark here, and then they said a question. I would say the question. I would just say, "Hey, Chicagoland!" exclamation mark, nearby areas. So you're calling out the nearby areas as well. And then put your services here. And you can also use check mark boxes for emojis. People like emojis, so you can do that as well. So you can offer your services here. So just some of the benefits of scheduling a ceramic coating package with us. Blah blah. I recommend cutting this stuff out here, okay? Because that's a bunch of what's it called? Blah 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 fluff stuff. Just say your services that you offer and just say, the city right here with the exclamation mark and nearby areas. And then see, they have a link to their website. Just put your phone number, guys. It's gonna be a whole lot easier if you can get them on the phone call. Because if they have to go from the website and then call your phone number, there's a certain percentage of people that's not going to convert to the phone number on the website. So just put your phone number first. You won't have to go from the website to the phone number. They just go straight to the phone number. Okay, a whole lot easier. And they put and then also they're putting the address here as well. People, if they get too many different, options, they tend to not pick any. So just put the phone number, guys. Okay. And then I recommend putting an emoji in the headline here as well. That's when you're making the ad itself. We're not going through that right now, just the images. So any image like this will do. Just make sure the car looks really good. Also, before and after images work very well as well. So if you have a really dirty car and a really clean image, that works really, really well. Let me see if I can find a before and after picture here, just to show you guys before I end the video. Because I've talked about basically everything you guys need to know in the video. I've covered the ad text. I've covered, what to kind of say in there, what to put in there, what not to put in there. Also, I covered don't do video ads. So you guys basically know, what to kind of do. So do either a really clean car image or do a before and after picture, okay? So this right here, see how it's really, really dirty? And then it's really, really clean right here. Those work really great, guys, okay? So definitely recommend doing that. And other than that, guys, that's about it for the video. Either a really clean car image, no videos, or a before and after picture, either of the inside or of the outside, depending on what kind of customers you want to attract, okay? So other than that, guys, I'm going to end the video right there, and I will catch you guys on the next video. By the way, my courses are down in the description below, and I'll catch you guys later.